reaching lives all over the world. Putting a smile on someone's face is a breeze when you feel great. When you're healthy, it shows a natural glow.